I installed the frame to cover the hole over here. You can see that. Now it's time to cover the hole. Just want to make sure it's level. So my next job is to cover around this window frame. So it's gonna be raining, so it's kind of I have to do step at a time. So these boards need to cover with this stucco, so it will be the last job to do. I put a piece of wood on the top of the frame and covered, and the side too. Now my next job is to cover bottom and this side. Next step is to install fascia boards. I successfully installed the window. Now the last part is to install fascia boards. So I'm gonna use fascia boards. Like these. Then after that need to put silicone around the fascia boards. Right now I'm not gonna install fully, just put a nail and make it secure and get the right measurements for the top part. This fascia board, one side is little tiny bit bigger than this side. It's not straight, so I have to slice little bit using this one. Hope that should be good. Yeah, now the spacing is good, so maybe tiny bit more. Then after that I can install with finishing nails. I don't drive the nail fully because in case there's a mistake, you can still take it out. Okay, it looks good. Now I'm gonna put longer nails. Now I'm applying clear silicone to fill the gaps. Now use your finger to spread it nicely. I am applying silicone around the frame for watertight. I successfully installed the window this side. Now I'm going to put stucco here, apply stucco over the plywood.